it's Ellie. To those who are new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can be part of my fam here on YouTube. So today I'm actually going to be doing a very easy eyeshadow look using pastel eyeshadow colors. We're only going to be using 3 colors. I'm actually going to be using the Milani eyeshadow primer. I have never used this before, so I don't know if it works the way it's supposed to or not, but it says that it is, sorry, I have the packaging. It says that it intensifies and extends the wear of any eyeshadow. So let's see if it's true. I'll probably end up updating you guys in a vlog. So I'm just gonna apply a very little bit, and it's supposed to be it's like a nude color, so I just wanted to like stay on longer because this is a really pretty color, like the colors I'm gonna be doing today. Anyways, we're using this flathead brush to start off with the first color using the Just My Look ColourPop palette. You can actually do these colors with any eyeshadows. I'm gonna start off by using the color Chances Are. So I'm just gonna use it a little bit and then apply that all over the inner corner of my eyelid. So I apply that there to like halfway. And then I'm going to use that exact same brush. I'm just gonna wipe it with a little wipe and go in with a different palette called It's My Pleasure from ColourPop and use Kitten Fish, which is this color right here. So then I started applying that all over the outer corner of my eyelid to like the halfway mark. And that's when I go in with my fluff brush. This is actually a blending crease brush. And then that's how it's looking. Using is the Essentials Violet Boss palette, which is this, and I'm actually just gonna be using like a cream color. It's pretty much like a white color, so I'm gonna use that one. So I put that right there, and then I do blend it with the blending crease brush, and there you go. For the inner corner of my eye, that's when I apply that cream color. And then for the bottom waterline, I'm gonna use my flat brush and put those 2 exact same colors just on the bottom of my waterline. Okay, so once everything is blended together, I am actually going to be using that flathead brush and grabbing that cream color from the Violet Boss palette and applying it to the brow bone. I feel like it's much easier to do it with the blending crease brush. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing to my other eye, so I'll be right back. Alright, so this is how it's going to be looking. But first I'm gonna be applying the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil to my regular eyelashes, and then go in and apply my fake eyelashes. So I have my lashes on. These lashes are actually the Ardell Wispy Lashes. I love how they look. And then I just went ahead and add a nude lip. I'm actually using the Maybelline Nude Embrace. It's the number 650. And it's just like a nude color. But yeah, and then I'm gonna go ahead and quickly add some bronze. I'm using the Weili Hung palette from Physicians Formula. It smells so good, guys. So I'll go ahead and use Sunset Bronzer to just add some bronzer to my face. I already applied some on my forehead, which I just go this way and then this way, and then I put some down here and then a little bit on my nose. So yeah, it's like very light. There's one that's darker, but right now I am actually using the Sunset Embrace. And then I go ahead and add a little bit of blush. I'm actually gonna be using the Wildflower blush from the same palette. So I go ahead and use my fluff brush. Just add a little bit. My highlight, I'm actually gonna be using the Milk highlighter. I should have added my lip after, but it's okay. All right, and I use my highlight brush and just blend. And by the way, I did not put any eyeliner on my waterline for my lashes. I usually do that, but this time I didn't do it, so I hope it looks okay. And that actually completes the look. something very simple and easy for you guys to do. I only use 3 colors. So yeah, I mean, you guys can use the same palette, it's up to you. I just used the palettes that I had, and usually I do that and mix and match them. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!